Hi everybody and welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm Hiba and today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy, very delicious, creamy chicken recipe. It's so good, it's very low in carbs and it comes together in less than 30 minutes. So let's get started. In a skillet over medium-high heat, I melted 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to sear my chicken in. Actually, I'm not using chicken today, I'm using turkey, but I've always made this with chicken and it turns out amazing. You can either use chicken or turkey for this. And then I seasoned my turkey with poultry seasoning and salt and black pepper. I cooked the turkey until it was golden brown, then I flipped it and I cooked it on the other side until it was golden brown as well. Then I removed it out of the skillet. Your chicken or turkey will not be fully cooked through yet, so make sure that you don't snack on it by mistake. In the same skillet, I added my diced onion and I cooked it until it was nice and translucent. And then I added in 4 cloves of minced garlic. You can add more if you'd like. I love it with a lot of garlic, so sometimes I actually add 6 or 7. It's all up to you and how much you love your garlic. Cook that for a bit until it's nice and fragrant, and then we're going to move on to the next step, which is to add in your cream cheese. I added in half a cup of cream cheese. You can add more, you can add less, just adjust it to your liking. Make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature before you add it in, otherwise it's going to make you struggle the way that you see me struggling here. I added in a little bit of water to help loosen up the cheese a bit. Then I added the chicken back into the cheese mixture and topped it off with some cheese. The type of cheese that I'm using is some local Turkish cheese. It's just an aged one, and the other one is a stretchy melty type, so I use 2 types of cheese. You could use sharp cheddar, you could use parmesan, you can use mozzarella. It's all up to you. Use the type of cheese that you love to eat on its own. I went ahead and shredded some of it, but then my arm got really tired, so I decided to just cube it all on top, and it doesn't matter because it's going to melt anyway. I stirred the chicken, which is actually turkey, and the cheese together, and then I added in a little bit of water. It was about not even 1/4 cup of water, just a little bit. You'd have to eyeball this, just make sure that it's not very liquidy, but you want that little bit of water so that your cheese and the chicken don't stick to the bottom of your skillet. Keep stirring until it's time to add in your spinach. I added my frozen spinach. I added about 1 kilogram, which is 6.5 cups of frozen spinach. You could also use fresh spinach if you've got that on hand. And then I mixed it a bit and I covered it and I turned the heat down to medium-low and I let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the chicken was cooked through and the whole thing was done. I gave it a final stir just to make sure that the spinach was dispersed evenly in the dish itself. And that's it. It is amazing. It's very delicious. I served it next to some white rice, but you can serve it on its own or with any other kind of rice that you like. You could also make cauliflower rice if you want to do something low carb, even on its own. It is amazing. It's so creamy, it's so cheesy, and it's so easy, and it's quite healthy as well. So I hope you give this a try soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious recipes. Thank you. Bye bye.